Classics Hindi, New NCERT syllabus, Malhar book, lesson 10. The name of the lesson is Pariksha. Pariksha means test. We often hear this word in the schools. The most scary word, right? Whenever you have test in school, you will be so much worried. So, what for we need a test? So as to test a person. So how much he is capable. So have he read everything? Is he ready with the syllabus? So as to test all this, we are having Pariksha in our school. Here in this lesson also, a person is going to test other person, which will be very interesting. We will see in this lesson what kind of test is that, who is going to test whom, and what for the test is. The given lesson Pariksha is written by Premchand ji, who is a very significant person in Hindi literature. His story writing skills are very wonderful, which will make the readers to read again and again. It will be so interesting. In this story, we are going to learn what is leadership, what is mean by politeness, what are the true qualities a leader is needed. The story also says the leader should not be an outward person. He should have the inner courage and the appearance, how a leader should be. Everything will be learning in this story. An important character in this story is Sardar Sujhan Singh. He is the minister of the Devghat Riyasat, that is Devghat kingdom. Here in this story, the king of Devghat is searching for a new minister. Diwan Sardar Sujhan Singh, that is the minister Sardar Sujhan Singh, has become very old and he is requesting the king to have a new minister as he could not continue because of his age. The king, however, accepts Sujhan Singh's request, but with one condition. The condition is that Sujhan Singh has to select a new minister. How Sujhan Singh is selecting a new minister is the test given here. Let us see what are the criteria for the test and how he is doing that. Let us go to the lesson now. Also children, in this lesson you will be learning muhavris. Muhavris are idioms which gives more beauty to the language. These idioms will have an indirect meaning which makes the language more significant. Children, learning these muhavris will help you in your higher studies. So I have marked with the underline for all the muhavris. Write it down separately and understand the meaning also children. Let us go to the lesson. रियासत देवगढ़ के दीवान सरदार सुजान सिंह बूढ़े हुए तो परमात्मा की याद आई. When the minister of Devghat kingdom, that is Sardar Sujhan Singh, became old, he got the remembrance of God. So he thought of God. Why it is said like that? Because when we became old, we'll be obviously having the thought of God. So Jakar Maharaj se Vinay ki. So after getting the remembrance of God again and again, what he is doing, he is going to the Maharaj and he is requesting Jakar Maharaj se Vinay ki Deen Bandhu. He is addressing the king as Deen Bandhu. Deen Bandhu is one who is helping the poor. Deen Bandhu. Das ne Shriman ki seva 40 saal tak ki. Das here is mentioning himself, the servant. He is mentioning him as a servant. Shriman here is the king. Das ne, that is me. Das ne Shriman, that is you. To the king he is saying, Das ne Shriman ki seva, the service. This servant has served you for 40, that is 40 years. Up to 40 years I have served you. Ab meri avastha bhi dhal gayi. Now I have become very old. Here avastha is condition. Condition shows the physical appearance and also he has become very old. Ab meri avastha bhi dhal gayi. Rajkaj sambhalne ki shakti nahi rahi. Rajkaj is to rule, to administrate. Rajkaj, minister's role is to administrate, right? So Rajkaj sambhalne ki, that is to administrate, ki shakti nahi hai. So he says that I don't have strength to handle the government affairs. कहीं भूल चूक हो जाए तो बुढ़ापे में दाग लगे. कहीं भूल चूक. So if I do some mistakes as I became very old, when I handle these administration, this government affairs, if I do any mistakes, धाग लगे. So what is the meaning for धाग लगना? I told you this is the मुहावरे धाग लगना. The meaning is कलंग लगाना. That is to have a black mark. So if I do any mistakes, that will become a black mark for me. Sari Zindahi ki Nek Nami. That is a good reputation, good name I have earned for all these years. Sari Zindahi ki Nek Nami. Mitti mein mil jaye. Mitti mein mil jaye. So what is the meaning for mitti mein mil jaye? Barbad ho jana. That is to become barbad ho jana. To become a waste. So all these names I have earned for all these days, all will become barbad, will become a waste. मिट्टी में मिल जाए. राजा साहब अपने अनुभवशील नीति कुशल दीवान का बड़ा आधार करते थे. राजा साहब, his experienced and also skilled administrative person, दीवान, that is a minister, सरदार सुजन सिंह का बड़ा आधार करते थे. He is respecting him a lot. He used to praise his minister a lot. बहुत समझाया. When he came and say that I cannot handle this government affairs anymore, this Raja is making him to understand. बहुत समझाया. लेकिन जब दीवान साहब ने ना माना, but दीवान साहब did not listen to that. So he convinced him, but he did not listen to that. Sahab ne na mana. To haar kar. Then he gave up. Then the king gave up and accepted his request. पर शर्त यह लगा दी कि रियासत के लिए नया दीवान आप ही को खोजना पड़ेगा. But after accepting his request, he has given a condition. He has put a condition that he is the Sujan Singh. Sujan Singh has to search for a new diwan for this princely state. So Khojna is to search. So what happens here is he is giving a condition that Sujan Singh himself has to search for a new person for his place. And now see children, you can see the picture. King is here and he is Sujan Singh is talking to the king. He looks very old. He is requesting the king. And the king is also accepting and giving a condition. So you can just imagine whatever things happened so far. Now we'll go for the next. What happens, we'll see now. दूसरे दिन देश के प्रसिद्ध पत्रों में यह विज्ञापन निकला कि देवगढ़ के लिए एक सुयोग्य दीवान की जरूरत है. दूसरे दिन, the very next day, यह विज्ञापन निकला. An advertisement was published in the famous newspaper, प्रसिद्ध पत्रों of Devgarh, for a capable diwan. So the advertisement is that there is a need for a capable minister for the Devgarh. जो सज्जन अपने को इस पद को योग्य समझे, the gentleman who is considering themselves worthy of this post, okay, इस पद, that is minister's पद, for this post, वे वर्तमान सरकार सुजान सिंह की सेवा में उपस्थित हो. He will be present in the service of present Sujan Singh, that is present minister Sujan Singh. यह जरूरी नहीं है कि वे ग्रेजुएट हो. This was also informed in that advertisement that those person need not be a graduate. It is not necessary. जरूरत नहीं है. It is not necessary that he should be a graduate. मगर हृष्ट पृष्ठ होना आवश्यक है. But he should be healthy and strong. मंदाग्नि के मरीज को यहाँ तक कष्ट उठाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. मंदाग्नि के मरीज. Children, in Ayurveda it is said that any person who has got a discomfort in his stomach, he is said to be Mandagni ke Marij. Marij means patient. One who has got illness in his stomach, he is said to be Mandagini ke marriage. So it is given in that advertisement that Mandagini ke marriage. So we know we don't need any patience. That is what they mean here. Mandagini ke marriage ko yahan tak kasht uthane. Yahan tak kasht uthane means coming here with so many troubles. Tak kasht uthane ki koi zarurat nahi. No need for those patients to come here. So it is given that the patient, that is not necessary that he should be a graduate, but he should be healthy and strong. He should not be a patient also. 1 महीने तक उम्मीदवारों के रहन सहन आचार विचार की देखभाल की जाएगी. How the test will be like 1 महीने तक. For 1 month the candidates will be tested for their lifestyle and their conduct and thinking. They will be continuously checked by. विद्या का खम, परंतु कर्तव्य का अधिक विचार किया जाएगा. विद्या का खम. The gentleman will be tested not for his education but for his duty. कर्तव्य का अधिक विचार किया जाएगा. जो महाशय, that is which gentleman, इस परीक्षा में पूरे उतरेंगे. So the gentleman who is getting passed in this test, वे इस उच्च पद पर सुशोभित होंगे. Will adorn this highest post of a minister. विज्ञापन ने सारे मुल्क में तहलका मचा दिया. The advertisement, the in search of minister, has created a very big sensation throughout the country. ऐसा ऊंचा पद और किसी प्रकार की कैद नहीं. So what is this advertisement about? This advertisement is about the search of minister. So for the Devgarh, they are searching for a new minister. It is a very ऊंचा पद, it is a very high post, and also किसी प्रकार की कैद नहीं. कैद here is restriction. So what is given in the advertisement? In the advertisement it is said that you need not be a graduate. Okay, there is no need that you should be a graduate. So people think that there is no restriction and it is also a very high post. केवल नजीब का खेल है. नजीब का खेल is a मुहावरे, meaning is भाग्य में होना. That is, it is a game of luck. भाग्य में होना. So meaning is game of luck. The people think that it is just a game of luck. Why don't we try? केवल नजीब का खेल है. सैकड़ों आदमी अपना अपना भाग्य परखने के लिए चल खड़े हुए. Then what happened? Hundreds of people started testing their luck and they have come to Devgarh. Devgarh में नए नए और रंग बिरंगे मनुष्य दिखाई देने लगे. Now what happened now? Devgarh में नए नए very new and colorful people being seen in Devgarh nowadays because they all have come for the post of minister. प्रत्येक रेलगाड़ी से उम्मीदवारों का एक मेला सा उतरता. मेला means lot of people. Okay, so pratyek railgadi, in each and every train there were so many candidates. Mela sa uthartha means they were coming like a fair, like a mela. They have started to come there. कोई पंजाब से चला आता था. So some people were coming from Punjab. कोई मद्रास से. Some people were coming from Madras. कोई नई फैशन का प्रेमी. So some people were lovers of new fashion. कोई पुरानी सादगी पर मिटा हुआ. Some were lost themselves in old simplicity. So they mean that they were very simple people also fashion people were also present there. Rangeen imame. Imame means turbans. So you all know that they will wear on the head. So rangeen imames, new colorful turbans. Choge means robes. That's a kind of dress. Our nana prakar ke anghar ke. So anghar ke is also tunics. It is also a kind of dress. Our kantop is mean caps. So what here they mean is different kinds of people are coming to Devgarh nowadays. So as to compete for the post of minister. Kantop Devgarh में अपनी सज धज दिखाने लगे. So their attire, the kind of dressing, they have seen there. लेकिन सबसे विशेष संख्या graduate की थी. But the most special number of peoples are graduates. क्योंकि why? Because सन्नत की खरीद न होने पर भी सन्नत से पर्दा तो टका रहता है. Because these certificates, so even it is mentioned that graduation is not a necessary. The most people are graduates because what Premchand, the writer here, says is सन्नद की कैद ना होने पर भी, certificates or not a restriction, then also this certificates say पर्दा तो टका रहता है. See, पर्दा is curtain, टका रहता is to be covered. Here what Lekhak means is that if he is a graduate person, what will happen? Even if he does any mistake, what we'll say? He is an educated person. He will not do like that. That is the parda. So because of this certificate, what will happen? The mistakes he is doing will be covered. That is what here Lekhak means. क्योंकि सन्नद की कैद ना होने पर भी, even though there is no restriction for a certificate, what the certificate will do, what is the role of the certificate here is, even if he does any mistake, even he or she does any mistakes, the mistakes will be covered. Those certificate will give a dignity for them. Those person will consider to be a dignified person. That is what given here. So, Sardar Sujhan Singh ने इन महानुभावों is also candidates, I have told you already. सरदार सुजन सिंह ने इन महानुभावों के, this is महान प्लस अनुभवों, महानुभावों के आदर सत्कार का बड़ा अच्छा प्रबंध कर दिया था. So what Sardar Sujan Singh is doing here for these candidates, he has made a very good arrangements, अच्छा प्रबंध, for the hospitality for these candidates. Hospitality means, so we'll be taking care of the guests who have come to our house, right? That is what hospitality. Like that, here also Sardar Sujan Singh have made so many arrangements for the hospitality for these candidates. हर एक मनुष्य अपने जीवन का अपनी बुद्धि के अनुसार अच्छे रूप में दिखाने की कोशिश करता है. So those candidates who have come here, each and every person tried to present his life in a good light according to his intelligence. So apni buddhi ke anusar, according to his intelligence, each and every person is trying to put them in a very good manner, present his life in a very good manner, कोशिश करता था. मिस्टर अ 9 बजे दिन तक सोया करते थे. आजकल वे बगीचे में टहलते हुए उषा का दर्शन करते थे. उषा is dawn. Now we are talking about certain people, Mr. A. So that one person is mentioned as, addressed as A here. So Mr. A 9 बजे दिन तक सोया करते थे. He used to sleep up to 9 o'clock. So now what he is doing, आजकल, nowadays in Devkhat, so as to present himself as a very good person, what he is doing, आजकल वे बगीचे में, that is in the garden, टहलते हुए उषा का दर्शन करते थे. So he is looking at the dawn during the early morning. That is, he is going for a walk during the early morning. Mr. ध स और झा से उनके घरों पर नौकरी की नाक में दम था. नाक में दम था means, it is also a मुहावरे, I forgot to underline it. नाक में दम means परेशानी करना, to put them in trouble, to make them trouble. Okay, Mr. द स आ और झा से उनके घरों पर नौकरी की नाक में दम था. These people, what they will do, they will give trouble to their servants in the house. लेकिन ये सज्जन, but these gentlemen, आजकल आप और जनाब के बगैर नौकरों से बातचीत नहीं करते थे. Nowadays what they are doing, आजकल nowadays आप और जनाब is a way of giving respect. So we'll say Mr., right? So like it is a way of giving respect. Aap, janab. So like this, nowadays these gentlemen are calling the servants as aap and janab. Those people, how they are in their house, they'll be giving trouble to the servants or helpers. But nowadays they are making themselves, they are showing themselves as a very good person. So they are calling the helpers as aap and janab. के बगैर नौकरों से बातचीत नहीं करते थे. Without these words, बगैर is without. Without these words, using these words, they are not at all talking with the servants. बातचीत नहीं करते थे. Mr. ला को किताब से घृणा था. So one more person is there, Mr. ला. So they are just mentioning the name as Mr. Okay, Mr. ला को किताब से घृणा थी. So these person, Mr. La, used to hate the books. परंतु आजकल वे बड़े बड़े ग्रंथ देखने पढ़ने में डूबे रहते थे. But nowadays what he is doing? He is engrossed. Engrossed is like getting inside the book. Okay, Granth is a very book. Nowadays what he is doing? Nowadays he is reading a very big books and all. जिससे बात कीजिए वह नम्र था और सदाचार का देवता बना मालूम देता था. So to whomever you talk, they are talking in a very polite and very good manner. का देवता बना मालूम देता था. So these people are showing themselves as a very good people इन देवगढ़. लोग समझते थे कि 1 महीने का झंझट है, किसी तरह काट ले. So what do these people think? Because they are acting, no, we cannot act for such a long time. These people are acting so as to get the job. So what they think? लोग समझते थे कि 1 महीने का झंझट है. So this is the trouble for 1 month, because it is already mentioned that this test will be for 1 month. So what people think? So this trouble is for only 1 month. किसी तरह काट ले. However, we have to spend it. कहीं कार्य सिद्ध हो गया तो कौन पूछता है? However, when we accomplish in the sense, however, when we get this job, who is going to ask us? Because we are the minister. So like that, all the people are thinking, and however they are making themselves towards this. So you can see in the picture, in Devghat, so many people are coming for the post of the minister. लेकिन मनुष्यों का वह बूढ़ा जौहरी आड़ में बैठा हुआ देख रहा था कि इन बगलों में हंस कहाँ छिपा हुआ है. लेकिन मनुष्यों का वह बूढ़ा जौहरी, so बूढ़ा जौहरी आड़ में बैठा. अगेन a मुहावरे. The meaning is गुप्त रूप से किसी की गतिविधियों पर नजर रखना. I'll tell you the meaning. गुप्त रूप is secretly. किसी की गतिविधि, activities. नजर रखना, to see. So seeing somebody's activities in a very secret manner, that is बूढ़ा जौहरी आड़ में बैठा हुआ देख रहा था. Here जौहरी means jeweler. Okay, what the jeweler will be doing? He'll be testing something, no? So that is what the base of the मुहावरे here. बूढ़ा जौहरी आड़ में बैठा हुआ means here बूढ़ा means old man. In this story, what it is mentioned here, Buddha means, here Buddha means they are talking about our Sujan Singh. So Sujan Singh is going to test all the people, no? लेकिन मनुष्य का वह बूढ़ा जौहरी आड़ में बैठा हुआ देख रहा. That is what is given there. So these people are being tested by a old person in a very secret manner. कि इन बगलों में, बगलों means crane. You would have seen the crane. Hans means swan. So both will be white in color. So now what Premchand is saying that this old man is going to test, going to see the activities of all the people, and he is going to find out in बगलों में, out of all these crane, हंस कहाँ छिपा हुआ है? Where is the swan hidden over? Where is the swan is hiding? So out of all these cranes, he have to find out who is the swan. So hope you would have understood this. So we'll go for the third part. फैशन वालों को सूची की आपस में हॉकी का खेल हो जाए. One day what happened here, नए फैशन वालों, so out of those people who have come to this place, नए फैशन वालों was also there, new fashion people was also there, no? So एक दिन नए फैशन वालों को सूची की, so they have suggested that आपस में हॉकी का खेल हो जाए, so we let us play hockey among ourselves. यह प्रस्ताव हॉकी के मजे हुए खिलाड़ियों ने पेश किया. This proposal has been presented by the experts of hockey game. यही भी तो आखिर एक विद्या है. This is also a art. So playing hockey, is also a art. इसे क्यों छिपा रखे? So what the new fashion people thought that why should we hide this? This is also a kind of skill we have. So why should we hide this? So they proposed that they can have a hockey game among themselves. संभव है कुछ हाथों की सफाई ही काम कर जाए. संभव है, it is possible that हाथों की सफाई. So it is again in मुहावरे. The meaning is हाथों की सफाई का काम, that is चतुराई से. So they have the skill that they are playing hockey well, no? So what they thought is हाथों की सफाई से ही काम कर जाए. So with our cleverness, let us do a work. Sometimes that is possible. It is possible that winning this game may get the job for them. So they thought they'll play hockey among themselves. चलिए तय हो गया. So they have decided to play among themselves. Field बन गई. So they have prepared the field also. खेल शुरू हो गया. They started the game. और गेंद किसी दफ्तर के अप्रेंटिस की तरह टोकरे खाने लगी. टोकरे खाने लगी means कष्ट सहने लगी. So what is the meaning for टोकरे खाने? कष्ट सहना. So here what happened? So everyone playing there are experts, right? So what happened? They have decided to play and the field has been prepared. The game started. Now the ball, that is the gained, किसी दफ्तर के apprentice. So what do you mean by apprentice? A new learner is said to be apprentice. No, how they will be, all the works will be given to them. In office, all the works will be given to them. Like that, here also the gain, दफ्तर के apprentice की तरफ टोकरे खाने लगी, कष्ट सहने लगी, because everyone is playing in a skillful way. रियासत देवगढ़ में यह खेल बिल्कुल निराली बात थी. In this place, that is in Devgarh, playing hockey is completely different for them. It is unique for them. That is, here unique means it is very different for them. पढ़े लिखे भले मानुस लोग शतरंज और ताश जैसे गंभीर खेल खेलते हैं. In this place, in this Devgarh, पढ़े लिखे भले मानुस, that is educated and well mannered people used to play शतरंज, that is chess, और ताश, that is cards. They used to play chess or cards जैसे गंभीर खेल, that is very serious games they used to play. But playing here, those people who have come to Devgarh, they are playing hockey, no? So seeing this, it is very different for them. दौड़ कूद के खेल बच्चों के खेल समझे जाते हैं. Here in this place, see, for playing hockey, no, they'll be running, they'll be having a stick. Like that game, दौड़ कूद, so jumping and running. Like this game, बच्चों के खेल समझे जाते थे. So they think that the people in Devgarh think that these games are played by children. So let's see what happens. See, the people are playing hockey there. The people of Devgarh are looking at it in a very different manner. खेल बड़े उत्साह से जारी था. So the game was going on, the game was continuing in a very good manner. दावे के लोग, that is the players on the attack. धावे के लोग जब गेंद को लेकर तेजी से उठते, so they are having the ball in a very fast manner. तो ऐसा जान पड़ता था कि कोई लहर बढ़ती चली आती है. It seemed like as if a wave was rising. Lahar, that is a wave was rising. The ball is going in such a way that it looks like a wave was rising. लेकिन दूसरी ओर, that is the players, दूसरी ओर के खिलाड़ी, the players in the other side, इस बढ़ती हुई लहर को, so what they do, it looks like a wave is rising, right? So the people on the other side, what they do, बढ़ती हुई लहर को इस तरह रोक लेते थे. They are just stopping the ball which is rising like a wave. मानो लोहे की दीवार है. So they stop the ball as if they are a iron wall. So the game was going in a very serious manner. संध्या तक यही धूमधाम रही. this game continued in a dhoom dham way. Dhoom dham means very pop. Okay, so Dhandya tak yahi dhoom dham, this celebration, this play continued till evening. Log pasine se tar ho gaye. The people were drenched in sweat. Pasine se tar ho gaye, because they were playing from the morning, so they were drenched in sweat. Koon ki garmi aank aur chehre se jhalak rahi thi. Koon ki garmi, that is the heat of the blood. They are playing from the morning, the blood is very hot now. Koon ki garmi, the heat of the blood, aank aur chehre se jhalak rahi thi. It is glimpsing in the eyes and also in the face. Like that, it is very hot over there. All the bloods are very hot. Hafte bedam ho gaye. They were panting and become breathless. Lekin haar jeet ka nirnay na ho saka. But they didn't decide who has defeated and who has got victory. Because both the players are experts. So from the morning till evening they are playing. But still they could not decide who got the victory and who got the defeat. Now what happens? We'll see. अंधेरा हो गया. So it has been dark now. इस मैदान से जरा दूर हटकर एक नाला था. So now they are taking us to the other place of the playground. इस मैदान से जरा दूर, little far from this playground, एक नाला था. One stream is there. उस पर कोई पुल ना था. There is no bridge on the stream. पथिकों को नाले में से चलकर आना पड़ता था. The travelers have to go by the stream so as to cross that place because there is no bridge over there. खेल अभी बंद ही हुआ था और खिलाड़ी लोग बैठे दम ले रहे थे. Here what happens? The play has been completed. The players were sitting and taking a breath. कि एक किसान अनाज से भरी हुई गाड़ी लिए हुए उस नाले में आए. Now what happens? The players are sitting and taking a break. Now एक किसान, a farmer, have come to that stream taking a अनाज से भरी हुई गाड़ी, taking a cart filled with grains. Now the farmer has to cross that place, cross that stream. लेकिन कुछ तो नाले में कीचड़ था. But in that नाले, in that stream, there was full of muddy sand over there. और कुछ उसकी चढ़ाई इतनी ऊंची थी. Also, the climb was so high कि गाड़ी ऊपर ना चढ़ सकती थी. Because of that, the cart could not climb up. वह कभी बैलों को ललकारता, कभी पहियों को हाथ से टखेलता, लेकिन बोझ अधिक था और बैल कमजोर. So the farmer is making the bailon to move. Bailon ko lalkarta. He is making the bull to move by making some sounds. Lalkarta, actually lalkarta means challenging, but here we can take that he is making the bull to move. Okay, वह कभी bailon ko lalkarta, कभी पहियों को हाथ से टकेलता. Sometimes what he is doing, he is just pushing the wheels of the cart. लेकिन बोझ अधिक था, but the load is so heavy, our बैल कमजोर. Also the बैल or weak. गाड़ी ऊपर को ना चढ़ती. He could not climb with his cart. और चढ़ती भी तो कुछ दूर चढ़कर फिर खिसक कर नीचे पहुंच जाती. Even though it is climbing up, the cart is sliding back because of this heaviness. चढ़ती भी तो कुछ दूर चढ़कर. So it is climbing for some distance, and then what happens? फिर खिसक कर नीचे पहुंच जाती. Then it is again sliding and coming back. किसान भार भार जोर लगाता और भार भार छंझ लाकर बैलों को मारता. So again and again the farmer is जोर लगाता, is pushing, and again he is getting frustration also. Because of that he is beating his bulls. लेकिन गाड़ी उभरने का नाम ना लेती. But there is no sign of the cart climbing up. गाड़ी को अकेले छोड़कर कहीं जा भी नहीं सकता. He cannot leave that cart over there and he cannot go alone also. बड़ी आपत्ति में फंसा हुआ था. In this situation he has been stuck in a very difficult situation. इसी बीच में खिलाड़ी हाथों में ठंडे लिए घूमते गमाते उधर से निकले. So this is happening in one end. The other end, what happens, इसी बीच में, in this time, the खिलाड़ी, the players, हाथों में ठंडे लिए, taking their sticks and घूमते गमाते उधर से निकले, wandering here and there, they left that place also. So now let's see what happens now. किसान ने उनकी तरफ सहमी हुई आंखों से देखा. This farmer is looking at those players सहमी हुई आंखों से. सहमी हुई आंखों means with a pitiful eyes he is looking at the players. He may think in his mind whether someone will help him. परंतु किसी से मदद मांगने का साहस ना हुआ. But he could not ask. He doesn't have courage to ask for help. खिलाड़ियों ने भी उसको देखा मगर बंद आंखों से. The players also was looking at this farmer, but the eyes were closed. Here eyes were closed means not literally the eyes. The lekak means here, he means that the players doesn't have any meekness, any kindness towards that kisan. जिनमें सहानुभूति ना थी. He means that they don't have any sympathy on him. उनमें स्वार्थ था. All those players were selfish. मद था, arrogant. मगर उदार था और वात्सल्य का नाम भी ना था. But they don't have the generosity and affection towards any of them. Particularly here towards this farmer.